Welcome you student. Today we shall continue our chapter pairs of linear equation in two variable. Today we are going to discuss condition for solubility of linear equation. So let's start our class. What are the mainly in this class we are going to discuss what are the main condition for solubility of linear equations. Suppose we have a system of equation a1x b1y c1 equals to 0, a2x b2y c2 equals to 0. Then our first condition is when system of equation has no solution. Meaning of no solution means we already discussed in graphical method. No solution is also called inconsistent solution. The condition is for no solution a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is equals to c1 by c2. What are the a1, a2, b1, b2, c2? a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2 are the coefficient of variable. a1 is coefficient of variable x, a2 is coefficient of variable second equations, b1 is coefficient of variable y of first equation, b2 is coefficient of variable y in second equation, and c1, c2 are the constant of first equation and constant of second equation. Just we have to substitute all their coefficient of both equation if condition is no solution. Clear? Now second one is when condition has infinite many solutions. Then what we do? a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is equals to c1 by c2. These are the condition for infinite many solutions. And third one is for unique solution. It is also known as consistent solution. It means what? It provides some solutions, some values of the variables of given equations. The condition is a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. These are the main three conditions for solubility of linear equation. Now we can understand by some examples. For these conditions problems, question is find the value of k for which the system of equations are x minus 2y is equals to 3, and our second equation is 3x plus ky is equals to 1. These are the given equation is given. Has condition is mentioned has unique solutions. Clear? Now what the question is said, we have to calculate the value of k from these equations has unique solutions, and we know that for unique solutions we know that already know the conditions. First what we do, just write all the coefficients. a1 is 1, b1 is minus 2, c1 is minus 3. These are the coefficient of equation first. Same as we have to write coefficient of second equation. a2 is 3, b2 is k, c2 is minus 1. Clear? Now apply the conditions. We know that for unique solution, what are the condition? a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. These are the condition for unique solution. Now substitute all the values. This becomes a1 is our 1, a2 is our 3 is not equals to, b1 is our minus 2, b2 is our k. Now cross multiply, this becomes what? K is not equals to minus 6 or a unique solution. I hope this one is clear to you. Just we have to substitute the coefficient of the given equation in the given conditions. Clear? Now take another example. For what value of k will the following pairs of linear equations have infinite many solutions? Have infinite many solutions. And given equation is given 2x minus 3y is equals to 7, and our second equation is k plus 1x plus 1 minus 2ky plus 4 minus 5k is equals to 0. These are the two equations given, and condition is our infinite many solutions. Just to proceed in similar way, first you write all the coefficients. a1 is 2, b1 is minus 3, c1 is minus 7. Clear? Same as a2 is k plus 1, b2 is 1 minus 2k, c2 is 4 minus of 4, directly write 4 minus 5k. Now we know the condition for infinite many solutions. Write down for infinite many solution. What are the conditions? a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is equals to c1 by c2. Clear? These are the condition for infinite many solutions. Now substitute all the values. This becomes 2 by k plus 1 equals to, this becomes minus 3 by 1 minus 2k. This becomes minus 7 by 4 minus 5k. Clear? Now we have to calculate the value of k. How? Take first twos and solve it. Now 2 by k plus 1 is equals to minus 3 by, either you have to take plus 2, either you have to take second third. It's up to you. 1 minus 2k. Cross multiply, it becomes 2 times of 1 minus 2k is equals to minus 3 times of k plus 1. Now break the bracket, this becomes 2 minus 4k is equals to minus 3k minus 3. Now collect the terms, minus 4k and plus 3k is equals to minus 3 minus 2. This becomes minus k is equals to minus 5. This minus minus will be cancelled out. Therefore, value of k will be 5 for infinite many solutions. I hope this one is clear to you. Take another example. Find the value of k for which the system of equation three x plus y is equals to 1, 2k minus 1x plus k minus 1y is equals to 2k plus 1, and condition is has no solutions. Proceed in same way. First we write the coefficients. a1 is 3, B1 is 1, C1 is minus 1. Same as A2 is 2k minus 1, B1 is k minus 1, C1 is minus of 2k plus 1. Clear? Now here condition is no solution, and we know that our condition for no solutions or inconsistent solution, condition is A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2 is not equals to C1 by C2. These are the condition for no solution or inconsistent solution. Now substitute all the values. A1 is 3, A2 is our 2k minus 1 is equals to B1 is our 1 and B2 is k minus 1 is not equals to C1 is our minus 1 and C2 is minus of 2k plus 1. This minus minus will be cancelled out. Now take first 2's and solve the value for k. This becomes 3 by 2k minus 1 is equals to 1 by k minus 1. Now cross multiply, it becomes 3 times of k minus 1 is equals to 2k minus 1. This becomes 3k minus 3 is equals to 2k minus 1. Now collect the terms. This becomes 3k minus 2k minus 1 plus 3. Therefore value of k will be what? 2. I hope this one is clear to you.